Well, in this class, I'm going to talk about environmental pollution, and in this, we are going to focus on what is known as global warming and ozone depletion, ozone layer depletion. And in both, we're going to talk about the what is their meaning, what are the causes, and what are their effects. So, just go through this. So, in this, you're going to talk about the what is let's just take global warming. So what does it mean? It refers to a situation in which the average temperature of the earth's lower atmosphere increases. Why? Due to concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, say carbon dioxide and the like. So what are the causes of global warming? They are due to increase in greenhouse gas concentrations like water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane and ozone in the atmosphere. Among factors that may be contributing to global warming are what? What are the causes? First is burning of coal and petroleum products, which are sources of carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide. Second, deforestation, which increases the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Third, release of methane gas from animal waste. Fourth, increased cattle production, which leads to deforestation. Now, what is the effect of global warming? So, it adversely affects the earth. Number one, ice is melting worldwide, especially at the earth's poles. It has led to a steep rise in sea level and coastal flooding. Then hurricanes and other tropical storms are likely, they are there and they are becoming stronger by the day and creating a havoc. Then third, increased incidence of tropical diseases like malaria, cholera, dengue, chikungunya, etc. And of course, there are thousands of species who are in danger of becoming extinct forever. So these are the effects of global warming. So in December 1997, the Climate Change Convention was held in Kyoto, Japan, to decide the targets and time schedules for reducing greenhouse gas emissions. It's easier said than done. It's very difficult. The Kyoto Protocol provides a multilateral framework that sets limits on greenhouse emissions. So on paper it seems very simple, but when it comes to practicality, it's really difficult. Then let's take ozone depletion. What is this? The meaning is it refers to destruction of ozone in the ozone layer due to presence of chlorine from man-made CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbons, and other forces. So, what are the causes? The problem of ozone depletion is caused by high levels of chlorine and bromine compounds in the stratosphere. The origin of these compounds is CFC, as I said before, chlorofluorocarbons. Repeat after me, chlorofluorocarbons, CFC, which is used as cooling substances in our ACs and refrigerators. Also, they are used in aerosol propellants, and bromofluorocarbons, that is halogens, which are used in fire extinguishers. So what are the effects of this? Now, what are the effects? As a result of depletion of the ozone layer, more ultraviolet radiation comes to Earth, and this causes damage to living organisms. So it causes skin cancer in human beings. Then it lowers the production of phytoplankton on other aquatic organisms. It lowers the growth of terrestrial plants. So in order to stop the depletion of ozone layer, an international agreement was made in September 1987 by the efforts of United Nations Organization and this is known as the Montreal Accord. Its objective was to stop the production of CFC gases. Again, it's, as I said, it's very simple. It's very easy to say than to do, easy to work on people, because we've come to a place where human beings have come to that level that after contributing, when you have made so many products, it's very difficult to either call them off or to start anew. So yes, of course, it will take time, and then of course I also I've just said that Damodar Valley in India. Let's just talk about this. That Damodar Valley is one of India's most it's the most industrialized regions. Pollutants from the heavy industries along the banks of the Damodar River are converting into an ecological disaster. So what you see is, it's almost like a, so there are lots such river valley projects which are there, which again create so much of an environment problem or environment crisis. Thank you.